I'm using a soup can as my frying pan. Was in there. It's hot, just not bubbling yet. I'll put these fillets in flour. So join me for lunch. Bon appetit. Guys, okay, here it goes. Looks like it's working. So join me if you're late. All right, so I'm gonna go over here, grab my fillet again. Okay, don't try this at home, okay, guys? Here we go. Okay, here's a piece from there. Wow, it is working. If I get sick, don't ever try this again, okay? All right, we'll see you after lunch. Well, I'll show you again when the fillet comes out. I'll tell you what, let's see if I can grab a piece from there. That's been in there for a while. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Let it cook probably a little longer here to be safe here. But it is working. Just bring your soup can or a can of soup, your butter heater, and you can do a catch and cook. An unorthodox catch and cook. Never gonna believe this, but I'm doing catch and cook and I'm hooked up to a fish. All right, sorry for the camera work, but here it is. Oh guys, this is way too fun. Oh God. I'll try and see if I can get him up without losing him, okay? I'm gonna have to release this guy here. Okay, here it is. 3-piece out of the soup can fryer. Okay. All right. Not bad. You know, it's fully cooked. Float it up. Okay. Like I said, if I get sick, well, you know where it's from, right? Okay. Here we go. Super soft and super crunchy. Same time. Not bad. Ah. Too bad you guys don't hear. All right, here it is. Wow, super good. I got some going in there too. I'm gonna wait till these float up.